All right, y'all. Good evening. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. We're actually inside of the dump trailer, as you can see. I'm actually running the lead back just to get it started, just so it can run a little bit while I'm out here. Also, just making sure that if we take off the tarp, so the snow doesn't sit on top, caving in the tarp. Yeah, man. So that's what we're gonna be doing. It's kind of difficult for me to film. Plus, it's Christmas. I'm trying to get back in with my family, but I figure since I'm out here and it's cold and we're waiting on about 8 to 9 inches about to drop on us, hopefully within the next 48 hours. Got customers calling me on Christmas Day, so it's a blessing, man. Hope you guys and girls are enjoying your families out there. Happy holiday to each and every one of you. And yeah, we'll catch you soon, man. This is your boy Danny from AllThatGrassLawncare. This is our current situation right now. Right now. I already did this side. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Out here taking out the net, getting ready for the snowstorm. Good afternoon, everyone. This is your boy Danny from AllThatGrassLawncare. Currently, I don't want you to think I am driving and holding the phone. The phone is on a stand. And this is our current situation right now. We are now, I would say like 15 minutes into the storm. It is coming down. If you do not have to be out, please stay off the road. If you're still in need of any snow assistance, getting your residential or commercial properties done, either visit our website, AllThatGrassLawncare.com, or you can give us a call at 475-312-4543 for all your snow removal needs. Again, this is your boy Danny from AllThatGrassLawncare. This is our current situation in Fairfield. And we are out finishing up our salting right now, and we're heading back to the shop, but yeah, we'll be out later on tonight around 3 o'clock in the morning. All right, y'all. This is where we're at right now. Oh man, it's coming down now. Yeah. Needless to say, we are ready. We are ready to go. Just picking up some final things. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. Good evening. Time now is 8:21 p.m. at night. We just got done with our snow removal. I'm extremely tired. I also had a breakdown today, so we will be talking about that. Had a breakdown with one of my snow blowers, so had to go back to the shop. But needless to say, it was a great day. It was a productive day. But this storm, it was very long. This ain't for everybody, I'm telling you. We were out pretty much all night, all day today, nonstop. And it was constant, busy, and just a constant flow. But with the breakdown, it set us back about an hour. But we got everything done. The route is completed, and I am currently heading back to the shop right now. This your boy Danny from AllThatGrassLawncare, man. I'll catch you this week. I'm tired. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm tired. Have a blessed night. Super excited to be done, but just on my trip, they either mean one or two things. Either one, stay busy throughout the winter months. Best version of you. Tomorrow is Monday.